Dive into Master of the Mind, your portal to psychological insights and self-improvement. Join us as we explore meditations, affirmations, and more.
Welcome to this deep guided meditation for self-love, which will aid you connect with yourself and love yourself. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Sit down as comfortably as possible. Nothing matters now but yourself. Close your eyes and relax. Bring all your attention to your body. Release any tension, any stress, any displeasure, any dissatisfaction, or unfulfillment. Let them melt. Leave your mind and body. Breathe deeply, smoothly, deeply. With each inhalation, bring more oxygen and more energy into your body. With each exhalation, leave behind any concern. Let your body breathe from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale. It's time to let go of thoughts and enter your depths, where there is silence and peace, where you find love and balance, where you find acceptance and enlightenment. Enjoy this relaxation and deepening within yourself. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Inhale. Breathe. Breathe in. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Relax your heart. The more you relax, the more love comes to you. Healing, calming, balancing. Everything begins to settle back into your body. Your heart becomes more and more open to receive the gift of love. Let the energy in and around your heart expand as much as possible. Imagine yourself protected by a positive energy that surrounds your entire body. Every part of your body, small or large, begins to be covered with love. Begin to be covered with acceptance. Begin to be covered with compassion. Feel this come to you with ease and grace, because every part deserves to be loved for the fact that you are now in this moment. Because every part deserves to be accepted, even when we do not understand what it wants to tell us. Every part deserves to be loved for the care it has for you. Love is healing. Love gives you balance. Love gives you life. Your body comes alive. Notice how your body is helping you and being with you in this moment. Say thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for helping me in your mysterious ways. Thank you for being with me so I can experience all the lessons that life throws at me. Thank you for everything you have done and are doing for me. Thank you for this breath of life that I feel in every moment, even now. You are my best friend, always honest, caring for me, and wise. I am happy with this body. Say thank you to this dear friend. Thank you, my body. Thank you, my beloved body. Thank you. In this moment, see yourself as you are, authentic. Choose to change your story. Be who you truly are. You cannot change the past, but you can change your future. Receive the blessing of your ancestors to live your authentic life now. Receive from yourself the key to your heart. Receive from your soul the power to see all the wonderful things that await you. Breathe, inhale, breathe, inhale, breathe, inhale, breathe, inhale, breathe, inhale. Breathe deeply and replace the story of your past with a new possibility. Breathe deeply and feel how valuable you have always been. The power has always been within you. It just needs to be released. Breathe deeply and let your authentic self show you the way. Every experience has helped me to be who I am now. I live in the present. I close the book of my past story and open a new book, the story of my authenticity. The past is the blessing of teachings. The present is the blessing of life. And the future is the blessing of inheritance. I understand and accept each stage that my body and soul go through. I love, accept, and support the person I look at in the mirror. Now I see my beauty. I have everything I need to reach happiness. I have everything I need to reach fulfillment. I bless my experiences that are now my lessons. I bless this body that has been with me and open my eyes when I do not listen to it. I bless my soul that has given me the strength to go through challenges. Now I open myself to the blessings of life. I am here. I am strong, and I choose to walk with confidence in my greatness. I am enough. I am complete. And I choose to accept my whole being. I know who I am, and I accept my love. I will no longer hide my light so as not to upset others, because when I accept my light, I am myself. When I show the light, I inspire others to love their light. I no longer hide anything from all that I am. I declare my greatness. I breathe in every truth I discover about myself, and breathe out every lie I have told myself. I breathe in, breathe in, I breathe in, breathe out. I breathe in, breathe in. I hug myself. I missed myself. I missed being myself. And the longing to listen to me. Feel your body, every movement, every breath, and every vibration. Feel the warmth and energy that passes through your hands, through your feet, through your body. Listen to what your body is telling you. Your energy is telling you that you are where you need to be. With your body and your heart, everything I need to feel safe, loved, and accepted is inside me. Within me is the most valuable treasure, self-love. Now I know that whenever I need it, I can return to rejoicing in my heart.
Thank you for listening, Master of the Mind. Keep exploring our content to unlock greater self-awareness and harmony. Subscribe for more insights.